Hello everyone. Check out this app, this eye. I want to show you people something about this eye that you don't know. Listen, if you check out this my eye, you see that I am in VIP 1. I'm no longer in VIP 0. The reason is because I was able to get 3 downlines. I'm now in VIP 1. Try as much as you can to get at least 3 referral. As a VIP 1 now, you are added plus 2% of your wages. Whatever you are earning is higher. See, you see this eye. This coin is a very strong coin. It's a very powerful coin. To the extent that this app provided for you that when you mine, I just mine for 2 days. I have a $14. When you mine, you can convert it to Ethereum or USDT and move it to any exchange of your choice. Now, this simply means that these particular people are buying what you are buying from you. At the rate of 27 they are buying it for $7. That is 50 cents per one. That shows that this eye worth a whole lot of money. They are accumulating it from you. That is, you are mining for them. They are collecting it. So if you are selling your eye, please don't sell all. Still reserve some. This coin is a very, very powerful coin. If you click on this swap now, you see, you can swap your eye to Ethereum. You see, you can move the quantity of the eye you have to Ethereum and move it to your exchange. Here from transfer, you can create a wallet. When you click on create a wallet, it will take you to where you should do was set a wallet. You take your wallet address either from Binance, put it here, then you confirm it, a password. You confirm your password, and that is all. Once you put it, it's here. So next one you see is now to withdraw it straight to your account. Once you click transfer now, it will move straight to the account where you provided. Can you people see that this is not a small coin? Try and get at least 3 referral. If you have registered this eye, get 3 referral and tell those your referral to get at least 3 referral so that they can move to the next level. If you are looking for money, let me tell you, 27 eye, that is for $7. If you mine for 30 days, you are making $210. $210 in naira is above 250,000 naira. You can use it and get yourself a very good phone and enter crypto in a full time. Crypto gives money. I want to show you something. You see here, you see create a group up here or you join group. This morning we happen to create a group. Once you finish creating, it will be counting for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you come here. You see we are 3 already in this group. I joined it since 1 hour ago. Now the counting has stopped. So I click on get. When I get now, you see this my $14 that you are seeing here. You see this $14 will now increase. Now let me get for today on. I'll click. So I click on wages. You see, unlock wages, confirm. Okay, sorry. I click on wages. It should have been added by now. Okay, let me check now. Do you people see what I am seeing? Is now $22. Do you people see $22 up there? From 14, it has changed to 22. This is my 3rd day. I can take out this $22. In 3 days, I have $22 now. So please, if you are looking for money, this is opportunity. In 1 month, you are getting $210. This is money. Take it serious. Move to a higher rate. I'm telling you, you make money here. This app is legit, authentic. People are pulling out. You saw the video I sent earlier where someone just withdraw so much amount of money from this app. So withdraw your money and enjoy yourself, okay? Congratulations. Please remember to buy me a bottle of wine. All right.